Hello guys, how's it going? This is Said Ahmed Mahmoudzadeh. Here I am with a new course to make a 2D bow and arrow game in Unity game engine. Well, this course has several chapters. In first chapter with 10 episodes, we'll learn how to throw an arrow with a bow, starting with preparation of sprites in some software like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator. Then we go step by step to import a bow and the arrow into Unity, and finally we finish by scripting the bow in Unity. Alright, this is the first episode of the first chapter. In this episode we're going to prepare a sprite for Unity. To use the sprites, you can design them in Photoshop or Illustrator or buy them online from Asset Store or other online stores. Me myself usually download ready-to-use vectors from the internet. You may find different file formats on the internet. II extension is for Illustrator and SVG is the general format for vectors. Alright, here we have a sample bow and arrow with all the different parts. Here you see the string, the arrow, and the bow as well. As I said, we're going to make a 2D game, so the string should be able to move along with the arrow and change the position regarding the position of the arrow. That is, we don't need the string here, and we should delete it now and make it again in Unity game engine. Okay, to delete the string, click on direct selection tool. So to select the string and delete it now, well, we have these little parts. Let me delete them. And okay, select the lower part and delete it too. Let me delete these small things here and this one. Okay, here we go. We have just a bow and arrow with no string. Now we need to separate bow and arrow from each other. To do this, go to layers. As you see, this yellow grip is a part of the bow. Select it and press Ctrl to select other parts of the bow at the same time. You can easily move the selected part. So you see they are separated and we have them here in Illustrator. Okay, I have got them ready before in this file. You see they are the same. If you put the bow on the top, you see there is no difference between two files. To import them in Photoshop, select them all and press Ctrl key to copy them to clipboard. Before that, if you think they are a little small, click on select tool and make them a little bigger. You can enlarge them as much as you want, but it's not necessary because you can do it later in Photoshop. We select all, Ctrl C, and okay, it's ready to paste to Photoshop. Alright, in Photoshop, if you add new file, you have the right size because you've already copied them in clipboard. Press OK and press Ctrl V, and here is the paste menu with different 4 options to paste. We have smart object, pixels, path, and shape layer. I'll choose pixels and press OK. Now we have both arrow and the bow here in the same layer. To get them ready for Unity, we should put them in different layers. With select tool, select the bow, right click, click in layer via cut. You see we have a new layer. Rename it to bow, and for the arrow we have nothing to do but renaming the layer. I'll put arrow here. Let me delete this layer too. Fine, we have 2 layers, bow and arrow. It seems they are a little too big. You can see that by zoom tool. You see they are a little too big. To change the size, go to image menu, click on image size, and you can put 400 for example. So you see it's better now. Alright, I'll save in my project folder to use it later. So in this episode we'll learn how to separate different parts of a vector with Illustrator and how to import them into Photoshop. Next episode we're gonna import these parts to Unity and have a bow and arrow in Unity. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you soon.